Greeting, internet friends. Welcome to another exciting episode of Dabbling with Dan. Today, Dan is going to be dabbling in cleaning a watch that I purchased at an auction. And of course, it is a watch that has a Cobra and an emblem of Ford on it. And if you're into cars, or maybe if you're not into cars, Ford makes a vehicle called the Mustang, and the Mustang has a high-end V8 that's called the Cobra. And I just happen to know somebody at work that owns a Cobra Mustang. And I saw him this morning at work, and I told him about this watch, and he's interested in seeing it. So I thought I'd go ahead and clean it on up. Well, I thought you guys may want to see this. This is a battery watch. This is not a high-end piece of jewelry, but I bought a battery for it. But the band is really dirty, and I have a sonic cleaner over there that I'm going to break out for the first time. And we're going to go ahead and wash this, but we're going to have to take this apart because we don't want to put the whole thing in there because it'll ruin the actual watch itself. But again, in the corner is a little button for my channel. Give it a push, and then maybe give it a thumbs up, and maybe leave a comment. But also the backdrop here is some of the paintings that my wife has done this past winter. Pretty good, isn't she? Okay, let's go ahead and tear into this thing and see what this is all about. See if we can kind of make it look halfway decent. I'm going to bring you over here so you can see what I'm actually going to do. So I bought this little watch repair toolkit, and we're going to go ahead and use that to start to take the band off. And let's go ahead and see what's inside here. Ooh, all sorts of kind of cool little tools. I think this would be what we might need to take the band off. And there's got to be a trick to this. Well, I heard it. There you go. Oop. Well, that was graceful. There we go. But you can see how nasty this is. This is really dirty. And of course, the inside of the bracelet is also, no, here's something that kind of is trying to sneak away. The pin. We'll set that aside. We'll put the bracelet in the cleaner. As you can see, it's got the little Ford emblem there. It's not very heavy, but all right. So there's that. Now we need to go ahead and take that back cover off. All right, there's the top part. Now I gotta get that bottom one in. Perfect. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And there we go. There, not bad. So let's see if this thing pops out. Oh, it does. Cool. All right. There's that. I'm going to pop out this battery. And like I said, I did buy a replacement for this. And boy, you can't even read those numbers on there. Ah, it came out. Just a little bit of a tug. All right, now I just want to lift this out. Oh man, that looks great. Beautiful. All right, so let's set this back down there. Oh, that looks fabulous. So we got the case off, and I'm not going to take the crystal out. And we'll just put that in the sonic cleaner, this in the sonic cleaner, this, and all these parts here. Got the tray in. I want the water level to be I'm not sure if that's 20 ounces or not. And I'm just going to go ahead and 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's take a look at this sonic cleaner and let's see what the temperature is. I'm going to go ahead and wash these parts. So I have this old style thermometer. Let's see if you can see that. Let's see what the temperature is. I'm going to turn that baby up. I want this thing hot. All right, let's turn the ultrasonic thing on. Lay that on. Lay this in. I'll come back to that. Here are the 2 pins. I already kind of see it. Clean them up. Alright, so let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. So, that is hot. To kind of clean some of this thick stuff, I'm just going to go ahead and use this piece of wood. And who knows what that junk is. I think that the sonic cleaner will only do so much. But you can kind of see the chunks coming off. And my idea behind this is not to kind of damage the patina on it. Although this crystal in here has got some scratches in it. I don't have a new one. And it wasn't completely really filthy, but we'll put that back in the sonic cleaner and let it do some more vibrating for 10 minutes. I'll tell you that. It's hot. All right, we'll be back. All right, now let's go ahead and get that number off that battery. And I'll tell you what, it is very small numbers. So let's put on our surgical magnifiers. Thanks again, Jim, for these. And let's see what that number is. 626 SW. All right, perfect. Now, let's take a look at I bought a bunch of batteries. See if I have anything that matches it. Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Nope. Nope. Ah, yes, there we go. There they are. Okay, this has got a few more minutes of sonic cleaning, and then we'll take it out and we'll put it back together. Woohoo! All right, we're back here at the table, and go ahead and I just want to make sure inside here there's no that the crystal here is cleaned. Looks nice. Looks better than it did. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Now, we do need to remember how this goes. And that is how it enters. Okay. Now we'll put the crown in. We'll put the new battery in. Like so. Put that back in. Put the back on. And I want to be pleasantly surprised by that second hand moving, which lets me know that the battery's working. Well, we got it back together and it doesn't run. It's cleaner. I am going to go ahead and take it to work tonight and show my coworker who owns a Mustang Cobra and see what he thinks about it. He may want to just buy it just for the aesthetics, and we'll see. But again, thanks for joining me. Again, in the corner, there's a button there. Give it a click. And I hope you enjoyed the beautiful watercolors that my wife did. Again, thanks for joining me, everybody. Take care. Bye. You know what? I'd wear it if it was running. It's not a bad looking watch. Cobra. Boom, boom.